Hey everybody, watch this video and then I will show you how I made it with only 31 words in my prompt.
Dive into the wisdom of Winston Churchill, a man of resilience, a symbol of courage. He once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." A powerful thought, isn't it? Success, a sweet fruit of hard work, is never the end. It's a milestone, not the destination. Bask in its glory, but don't dwell, for the journey must go on. Failure, a bitter pill, is not a death sentence. It's a teacher, not a jailer. Learn from its lessons, but don't remain, for the path is waiting to be tread. But courage, oh courage, it's the heartbeat of every endeavor. It's the flame that keeps the dark at bay. It's the bridge between success and failure. It's the fuel that drives us forward. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal, but the courage to continue, that's what truly counts. So summon your courage, embrace the journey, and let's make every second count. Until next time, remember, courage, dear heart, courage.
When you click on the link that I gave you in the description, you get to this page in InVideo. What you want to do is click Create AI Video. And it asks you for a prompt. I have a prompt that I already wrote, which is called, based on a quote by Winston Churchill, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Please create a 1-minute video for YouTube Shorts." Notice that at the bottom here I can also clone my voice, and the workflow is, it could be YouTube Entertainer, script to video, YouTube Shorts. You could have explored them all, of course, but we're gonna just, we know what we want to do. I'm just going to click on Generate a Video. And it takes a very short while, less than 1 minute, and it generates. First of all, it analyzes it, and then it thinks of a title, and in our case is Courage to Continue, Churchill's Wisdom. And then it prepares a video for you. And it takes less than 1 minute, and there you go. It tells you, it asks you what for your audience. Is it motivational seekers, the look and feel, or could be history buffs or life learners? I'm going to go with motivation seekers. Look and feel, is it inspiring? Is it professional? Is it clean? I'm going to go with inspiring. And the platform is YouTube Shorts. Notice that it could also be Instagram or Facebook. And if you wanted to edit the prompt at this point, you could. I am happy with my prompt, but if you were not, you could edit the prompt right there. And then we click on Continue. And then it will take about a minute for it to create a video for you. And it is ready. I am not going to play it because you have already seen it at the beginning of this video. But I can show you, for instance, how to edit it. Let's say you didn't like it, and you could give it a command to edit the video, and you could generate. So you could say, do not mention Australia, or whatever it is that you don't want to happen in the video. You could give a command to edit the video right here. You could also click Edit, and it brings you to this screen. In this screen, you can either edit the media, which is where you are, okay? And if you have your own media, you can upload it. If you have a media library, you have uploaded other video clips, you could search for them right here as well. And it could also include the premium stocks in this as well. And if you wanted to edit the script, you could here edit everything you want. If you want it, instead of profound truth, change it to a wise truth, or some other word, you can definitely change the word right here. And then you would have to click on apply changes. Also, you could, with those three little dots here, there are some actions that you can have in a chapter. So this is my chapter that I have selected, and I can duplicate a chapter. I can add a chapter before this one. I can add a chapter after this one. And of course, I can delete the whole chapter right here. Okay? I could also, let's say I changed profound truths to some other word and I don't want to keep it. I could discard my changes. And if I like the changes, I could apply the changes right there. Okay? Once you are extremely happy with your whole video, then you can, also, before I even move on, is you could regenerate the whole thing. Okay, and you could see the history of this video. And once you are done and you know that you want to download this video, you can export. You export this video, and then once you export, this is where you're going to figure out, do you want to subscribe to InVideo or not? If you don't want to subscribe, you're going to have to use watermarks in your video. If you don't want watermarks, you need to subscribe. If you want to, how do you want to see the AI branding of InVideo? Is it normal? This is for the people who are not subscribing, paying a subscription, right? Subtle or none. I chose none. And then you select your resolution. It goes from 480 all the way to 4K. I'm going with 1080. And then you click on continue. And now it renders the video and it basically is downloaded. That's it. Very simple. And there it is, everybody. How did it go? I personally think it's very easy. I have created many videos with InVideo. All you have to do, go to your description, click on that link, and let me know what you think. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have any comments about anything you would like me to talk about, please leave a comment. Every week, I am creating new videos explaining software that uses AI. And finally, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you next week. Till then, bye.